Alright y'all, so I wanted to show y'all the setup of how I part my hair as best as possible. This over here is my camera angle. I have it taped up to my mirror. And I have my phone screen mirroring to the TV. So that's how I'm going to see the back of my head. I'm not going to show y'all the whole process of me parting my hair and everything. But I'm going to show it afterwards. We're going to do 4 parts in the front, 4 parts in the back. Hopefully y'all can see what's going on. I don't know. I'm going to try to get them as even as possible. And so this is just supposed to be a super quick, easy, cute summer hairstyle, y'all. I'm going to try to get some of me parts in. Try to. But I just don't want to do all that setup work, so. This is a quick hairstyle, and I'm not about to waste all my time trying to. You know what? I'm sorry. You know what? Hopefully that's good enough for y'all to see what's going on. Is that straight? No, it's not. But we getting there, honey. Hold on.
For me. See, that's the problem. Too many people are praying to God. He's getting confused.
Alright, y'all. So this is the parts I came up with. They're not perfect, but my birthday is next week, so I only plan on having this for about 5 days. And I'm going to the spa on Saturday. It's Thursday. At the spa, it's a lot of swimming and going to the pool, so I probably won't even have this hairstyle in for that long. But I just want something cute to have in for the weekend because I'm probably going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. So this is just a quick, easy hairstyle that I feel like we'll be able to wear all summer, y'all. Now, I don't know if y'all have seen, I've been knew this though. Braiding hair is not good for you. Everybody been knew that. This one is supposed to be a little bit safer. That's what it said on the package. But do I believe that? Honestly, no. That's another reason why I don't really care to have the hairstyle in too long. So it's just something quick. I don't recommend leaving this in your head for 2 months how we used to and doing those long braids. We shouldn't be doing it, y'all. We knew we shouldn't have been doing it, but anyway, I'm gonna do these braids for a few days. Something quick, easy, cutesy. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it real quick, and then I'm gonna fast forward through the rest. Also, I had used this hair for some little braids I had did a few weeks ago. I did like a braided ponytail, but I didn't do the part the way I liked it, so I ended up taking it out the next day. I'm gonna take a little bit of bio silk, put that on my head. I'll moisturize my scalp when I'm done. I'm gonna double check the part again, make sure it's how I want it. Then I'm going to a little bit of my extra. Where the brush at? I don't know where my brush is, whatever. A little bit of gel. This is the gel I'm using. And this is the age control. Take my hair. I was gonna do the rubber band method, but honestly, I'm really not trying to do a lot of friction on my damn head. So we're just gonna keep it nice and cutesy. I'm gonna do like the OG, how you put some braids in your head. Going for knotless, honestly, it's gonna be whatever the hell comes out. I don't know what I'm going for real. I do know I want a lot of edges out because I'm trying not to do tension on the outskirts of my head. Trying to grow her back, so alright, that should be great. I'm gonna zoom in on the next one. But you just split your hair into 3. Now just braid however you're used to braiding. I need to do a more detailed thing about how to braid, but I don't know. We'll see. You guys can let me know in the comments below. Honestly, and I don't want the braids to be too thick. I don't want no heavy ass braids in my head. That's another reason why I took the double braided ponytails out, because I just felt like they were entirely too heavy for my little hair. Honestly, I don't have thick full hair. My hair is pretty thin actually, and on top of that I have PCOS, so I feel like I ain't got no hair on my head. She's bald and she's torturing people that has hair.
Oh my gosh! She's bald! She's bald and she's torturing people who have hair!
That's how I feel like I am. So I'm gonna let y'all know the full total time it took to do this hair. Right now it's 1 p.m. I started about, what, 30 minutes ago? We'll see. The hair is not tucked that great on this one, but child, like I said, I'm only gonna have this hair for a few days, so let's not do too much. I also don't want to pull too tight, so I don't think it looks bad though, honestly. I'm gonna add a little bit of hair because I do want the braids to be long. You're just gonna keep adding the hair until you get it to your desired length. I'm trying to decide if this is too thick. I low-key feel like it's a little too thick. Hold on. I gotta split the piece I'm adding into twos. I was making it too big there for a second. I don't want a big ass braid for real. Guys, so I actually forgot to record me adding on this final braid, and I really want to get that for y'all because I didn't record much of me doing everything. So hold on, let me redo it. Yeah, this is how thick you need the pieces of the hair to be. I have 2 of those to start off the braid. I'm gonna add in chunks that are that size throughout this whole braid. I did blow dry my hair out for it to be like this, but then I added in my products that I like to use, which, as you guys can see, it has dried up a little bit, but I'm still gonna mousse it, dip them, blow dry them, so it'll look better when it's all finished. Take my braid part and I break it into 3. You guys can see I already had it like that. I put my hair somewhere where I can grab it easily. For me, that's on my lap. This is the parts. Hopefully y'all can see that. They're not perfect, but that doesn't really matter as long as you can get it to match up to the other side or wherever you're comfortable with it doing. For me, that means I have to stretch my front piece to the back. Boom. Add in my first chunk of hair. Hopefully you guys can see. I'm adding in the first chunk of hair to the 2 back strands. It's easier to get your braids smooth when you don't have to stop, or at least that's what I noticed for me. Like, to keep the same tension so the braid looks the same throughout, I have to not stop, or else my grip is going to change. But honestly, I feel like I like that. And then throughout, I just add braiding gel and braid down so my hair mixes. So basically I add my edge control to it. For me, I feel like that adds up good. I don't want a lot of tension right now because my head was already hurting, y'all. That's kind of why I took a break and didn't even finish this braid. But it's the next day and I need to get it done because I actually have stuff to do. I was been supposed to do this. Braid it down. I just added another piece. Now I like to add in jelly type of gel and smooth that out. The ends are coming, so comb that in. Hold up, I messed up. I always like to redo it a few times until I get it to my liking. I'm not afraid to take some shit out and start over because it's honey. It needs to be right. Brush it down, comb it in, and add a piece. Now that we're close to the end. Here. Okay, I think that looks fine to me. At this point, I'm getting tired, guys. Not gonna lie. And this one is probably gonna flip over anyway. Hold on. Probably need some more hair. That's cute. How I'm gonna wear it. Add in some hair here. Boy is texting me. But I don't know. Stop doing it like that. That was hurting. I don't be giving a fuck at the end of the day. Clearly. Look at my fucking hair right now. I don't even know how I end up doing this kind of shit to myself. And I always used to wear my hair like this. And I be dead ass. It's like poetic justice. Who the fuck told me to do my hair? And I don't know why I be doing my hair like this.
Get your attention. I'm a black woman, okay? I deserve respect. Don't be calling me no bitch. Hey. If I'm a bitch, your mama's a bitch.
Say that, black.
It's just like, who wants to keep doing their hair over and over and over? No, bitch. I'm going to put these big ass dookie braids in my hair. And that's what's going to be. And me and my sister was just talking about, this is really what my grandmother just taught us to do. We're putting dookie braids in our hair. And that's that. We used to be mad at her for doing our hair like this. But it was like, bro, what else are you expecting out of me right now? I'm tired, honey. Like, I got a lot of shit to do. And this is going to last me a couple days to be cute while I'm playing around. And it's going to be cute, y'all. I'm going to show y'all. Once I do my edges and everything, it's cute. It really is. You just have to be cute. If you're not cute, it's not going to work. Y'all are going to see at the end. I'm telling you, you have to trust the process here. You really do. You have to trust the process. Every time I be wanting to take them out when it gets to this stage, because it's like, if you look at it too much, it's ugly. Don't look at it too much. Just don't do it. Or is that just because I'm an ugly braider? I don't know. Time crunch, guys, because I have a home appointment. I want to get a lot of things done. Before then, I am going to record my home appointment and post it on my channel in one of my vlogs. And I'll probably post that footage separately. Dead serious. But I need to clean up. That is also going to be in my March Get My Life Together vlog as well. Now we're at the end of the braid. We still have to dip them. I'm going to blow dry them, mousse them down. So hopefully that straightens everything out. And look how it look like this. They're not perfect, y'all. I didn't spend a lot of time on mine. Obviously, you can spend as much time as you want. Redo them as many times as you want to make them perfect. This is literally going to be for 6 days. And I'm not even going anywhere. I just didn't want to do my hair. And I didn't want it to tangle up. And I had extra braiding hair. So I was like, you know what? Let me put this shit in my head. This is what I came up with. So, it's not the most serious hairstyle. It's not perfect. It's not. Don't do this when you're going out anywhere. I wouldn't. Honestly. I wouldn't. But if that's what you want to do, go ahead. It's my quick summer hairstyle. Like, I'm going to be doing this. And I'm going to wear it to the side. And I'm going to feel like I'm Janet Jackson. Bitch. Wait till I do this. Y'all, like, I'm dead. I'm so dead serious, y'all. I'm about to do my edges. So now I got my little... Alright, this is the hair. Look from the back. Wow. I'll show y'all that better when I put on a different fit. But, girl, I don't want it to be too scraggly ended. Now I like to flat iron curl my edges. This is probably why I don't got none. Mind your business. Sorry, let me stop playing with myself. I am cracking myself up right now because I really feel like I'm in high school or something. I haven't done these in a minute. What the fuck? Let me stop playing that. Because this is some real shit. This is what the world has come to right about now. I'm tired of the shit. But my birthday's this week and I'm going to get cutesy and demercy. This is still cutesy and demercy. We're going to have a fun little weekend. And I'm going to bring y'all with me to show you. I'm going to show y'all. Ain't nobody gonna think I'm no 10 years old. Y'all better not even try to play with me. Now I'm gonna spray some hairspray. Hairspray it, blow dry it, and melt it into place. Alright. Because I go to the gym a lot and sweat is gonna get to these things. So I'd rather just hairspray them down now. So when I put the sweatband, it'll stay in its shape as best as it can until I get a chance to redo it. So I really just be trying to do everything cutesy before the gym. Because after that, I don't give a damn. And I don't. And I won't. At the same time, I guess that's what it's supposed to be like. This. Alright. Next up. Tie down the top to flatten everything out and get them laid and all the flyaways put away. I would usually use mousse for this. But once again, y'all, I don't have everything I'm supposed to have for this hairstyle. So I'm going to take some hairspray and a little bit of this. And I'm also going to take a blow dryer, but that'll be in a second. Let's spray our hair. I'm going to spray it in my hand, actually. No. Pull our hair down. Let's mix it in. I don't know, y'all. This is going to tie down the unwanted flyaways. I'm going to go boil my water and I'll be back. Guys, so my water is boiling. I went ahead and grabbed that. Hopefully y'all can see. Now I'm about to dip my braids. Here's my hair, here's my water. I'm gonna stand up with it so y'all can see. I'm gonna go as high up as possible. I might not be able to see everything, but dip as high as you possibly can, honey. Make sure you have enough towels to not burn yourself. Hang on. Make sure you smoothen the braids, because however they pull when they're hot is how they're gonna lay. See, because I don't like these little bead ends. Not gonna lie, they're fine. And they look better, they look way more smooth than this side. You see what I'm saying? This is why you need to dip them. And then I'm going to blow dry the top so they'll even lay a little better. You could also use the hot steam towel to get them. So I'm going to do that a little bit too. But now I'm going to do the other side. Hopefully y'all can see the difference. I can tell the damn difference, honestly. But you probably could get higher too if you're not scary. But I'm a scary bitch. I don't care. How do we feel? This one's a little thick at the end, but I'm gonna let it go or no? I'm gonna lie, I really don't like this one. Let's redo this one. Really quickly, you don't have to 30. Remove the top. Bam! And we still not done. I'm still gonna oil it up so that they just even more flush from the top to the bottom. I don't know if y'all see, this one's a little jagged up. All right, pretty much everything. Hit it with some more finishing spray. One pieces that came up during that blow dry process. And look, this girl. Get over there. That's pretty much how I do it. Here she come. My little dog. What are you doing? Now I take this wig shine. Basically spritz. Whoop. If it's straight out my hair and the braids. Alright, let's see. I'm doing. This is the final look. I feel like it came out really cutesy. I'll probably wear it over like this. This is how I usually just like to do it, real quick, real cutesy. Honestly, this braid is bothering me a little bit. I could have done it a lot better, but I'm not even tripping, y'all. I feel like it's still cute. It's a quick little style. If you want to go to a little pool party, something outside cute this summer. A little family cookout, family reunion real quick. This is the hair. Hold on, let me show y'all a better view. Hold on. My room needs to be clean. This is not right. This is the front. This is the back. I'll get an even better shot once my hair, outfit, everything is cute. But I'll definitely be back. I like it, y'all. It's super easy. It took me about 2 hours overall. If I would have never took no breaks, it really wouldn't have took no time. I just be lazy sometimes, but it's so cute. It's just a little chill vibe. I love her. Make sure y'all tag me if y'all do this hairstyle at Bombard Live.
Fuck that, we can go M for M. Quarter mil for the Maybach truck. They're alive with the factory rims. I got the 90 years to raise the ground and really fit. It's got to the point that I don't even care. I got jewels in the safe that I don't even wear. I'm not in a mood cause my flight they're late. So I jumped on a private jet and I'm asking a pilot at ETA. Lambo parked on a landing strip. Everyone in my gang and my DJ paid. Where's my man talking about inshallah? These times he don't even pay.
XOXO Laura Ashley. Thanks for watching, guys. Love ya. See you next time.